Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to my channel, Srilekha Akash. Today in this video, I have came up with another gift box jewellery set, jewellery making kit for kids. Even adults too can make use of this. So the thing is that this one is around. This one has costed me around 4.99 pounds. So this one has a surprise gift too. Let me just open that later. We'll just see whether what kind of beads they have given. This time they have given me the pearl beads, which was very attractive actually. Usually I love pearls. They are like, so usually the pearls beads are like, they are very attractive, and they has a shining coating mostly, like, which looks great. So this one too comes up with same color, and this time that looks like a baby pink color. Then pony beads and normal round beads. The pony beads green color, and these are all like a very shiny one. I liked it. Then some of the threads, these are like small threads. They are not very long, very small threads. You can make some kind of some kind of keychains or like something else. But I always want to make bracelets, so these can be used for a keychain as a pendant. These are all like fancy one. So I just loved it. It has written always extra. Nice, why not? So I have opened this. It has a bracelet. After seeing this one, I got into my childhood memories. Usually I was buying something like this when I was on my schooling. So they have given a ring in this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.